Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. I am doing the VIP unboxing, the VIP box unboxing today for November from Sparkle Supplies UK. As you all know, I absolutely love these boxes. I say it in every single video, but they are the perfect way to grow your collection. If you're just starting out, or even if you're not like me and you've been going for years, like, they're still fun to have. You get different products every single month, and it's always a mystery, which is the most exciting part of it. So let's quickly explain how it works. So the boxes are £12.99, but you can also use my 15% off discount code, which is BM for matters, BMB15, and that will get you 15% off. It's also in the description box, and so is the link to the website, so quicker to just click the link, copy and paste the discount code. But anyway, so the things in the box are not on sale individually until a couple of months later. So everything in this box I'm about to show you can be bought on its own on the 7th of January. And the total value of all of them put together in this box is £13.11. So even if you didn't use my discount code, which would be a bit weird because why wouldn't you want to get money off? But you know, if you didn't, you'd still be getting more for how much you pay, basically, because you pay £12.99, and you basically pay for the fact that they're secret products as well, and just for the surprise element every month, I suppose. So you get a little, you've got a little teaser there of what we're going to get in this box, but I will tell you as I open things how much it will be when it goes on sale on its own. So first of all, we've got a little love heart lolly, which is always cute. Who doesn't like a lolly? So we've got a foil, which I absolutely love. Look at this. That is beautiful. And this foil would be 80p when it goes on sale on the 7th of January. But that is absolutely beautiful. It's like marble sort of effect in these squares. Those ones are black. I think they're grey. They might all be black, actually. I don't know. They look slightly different next to each other in front of me, but I don't know if it's just my eyes are bad or not. But they're, yeah, they're black. And then there's obviously the lighter ones as well. But how beautiful that is. I love that. So we've got that. And then we've also got a glitter, which is called Coral Heart. And this would be £1.85. And this is an SSUK unique mix, which basically means that you can't get this anywhere else. So that's also exciting. And it's got love hearts in it, which I think was a given considering its name. And it's also got little crosses in it as well, and the little like confetti pink pieces, little mini hexes. How beautiful. So this is a great one because you can either use this like all together, or you can use parts of it. You can take out the crosses, the hearts, you can use the bits of pink. So there's a lot going on in that one. It's lovely. Then we've got some pearls, which would be £2.99, and look how many you get. You're never going to use all those unless you use pearls all day every day. And there's lots of different colours in there. So we've got yellow, we've got like a pastel yellow, we've got pink, purple, some black ones that are like the chameleon sort of like oil slick / petrol sort of effect. So we've got a really good array in there as well. Then we've got 3 potted products. Let's have a look what is in here. So the first one is Iridescent Multi Mix, which, well, it's Iridescent Multi. £1.99 these would be, and they are, oh yes, they're iridescent hearts. No, not. They're iridescent stars. A lot of my clients have been having stars lately, so these are going to come in really handy. And it's really great that you get different sizes as well, which are perfect for different like widths and lengths of nails, because some people's going to be bigger or smaller than others, so it's good to have an array. Then we've got a pigment which is called June Pigment, and this would be £2.99 if you were to buy it separately. Look how beautiful that colour is. It's like a cerise pink in my opinion, and it's got like a gold sort of undertone of shimmer in it as well, which is just beautiful. And then, last but not least, we've got Nugget, which would be £2.49. It is an SSUK unique mix glitter again, so you can only get it from there. And look at that. I'm trying to get it so there's just a couple of pieces in the lid, but obviously failed miserably. But it's really difficult to explain, but they're like textured pieces of glitter, so they're all little mini hexes. And it's like a champagne gold in there and silver, but they're textured, so they're not just flat glitter, which is nice because it's nice to have different things. So they are really cool. I've got them absolutely everywhere. Good job I like them, because now they're going to be all over me all day for the rest of my working day today, but I'm not complaining because it's beautiful. So that is everything you get. You get the multi-mix, the pigment, that glitter, you get a new foil, you get some pearls, you get another glitter and a lollipop. What more could you want? I've not even put that in the shop, so that was a bit pointless. My brain just went completely dead then. But anyway, so this is the November box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little teaser, the next video is going to be the Sparkle Supplies UK Advent box. I will quickly show it you. Nothing that's in it, don't worry, in case you don't want to see it. But this arrived today at the same time as my what's it called, VIP box, so I'll be filming the unboxing of that today. And as you all know, if you've seen my previous years of advent calendar boxes from anywhere, I open all of them on the same day, because one, I want to be able to use the products that are in them, get the most out of them, and secondly, because I'm impatient and I just need to know what's in there. So if you're interested to see what is in the advent box, then please do have a watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.